Okay. Stand up, please. Say good to our teacher.
Good morning, Miss.
Sit down, please. So before we study, let's pray together. Miss Dinesh.
Okay, thank you, everyone. And now let me check the attendance first. Sri, yes, Miss. Ismi, yes, Miss. Linda, yes, Miss. Salsabila, yes, Miss. Lia, yes, Miss. Alia, yes, Miss. Ulfa, yes, Miss. Suci, yes, Miss. Alia, yes, Miss. Yuwa,
Yes, Miss.
Nunu, yes, Miss. Keisha, yes, Miss. Winda, yes, Miss. Masita, yes, Miss. Bernard, yes, Miss. Oke, hadir semua ya? Yes, Miss. So guys, have you ever read a narrative text before?
Yes.
Miss. Can you mention one famous story from your childhood?
Bawang putih dan bawang merah, Miss.
Sudah. Oke. Bagi semua ya ceritanya. Oke. Do you enjoy story with moral lesson? Why? Ya, silakan Cici.
Yes, because we will learn something useful.
Okay, great. Today, we are going to learn about narrative text. Anyone know what is narrative text? Story about legend, fiction, fairy tale. Yeah, okay. So, Miss will explain about narrative text. Narrative text is the type of story that tell about a series of events or experience that happened in the past, yang terjadi di masa lampau. Okay. The next is main purpose of narrative text. Dia bertujuan untuk entertain the reader or listener by presenting interesting, funny, dramatic, or emotional story. Sometimes narrative text also give a moral message or life lesson at the end of the story. Oke, kita masuk ke tipe dari narrative text. Anyone know types of narrative text?
Not yet, Miss.
Oke, Miss akan jelaskan. The first is fable. Ada yang tahu? Ya, cerita binatang. Oke, good. Cerita tentang binatang. Contohnya, ada yang tahu? Kancil, ular. Landak. Oke, benar. The next is legend. Anyone know what is the legend? Cerita rakyat. Ya, cerita rakyat. Traditional story believed to have a historical basic. Contohnya. Danau Toba. Iya, betul sekali. Yang ketiga, you wanna know what is the fairy tale? Tinkerbell. Yeah. Snow White. Something like Cinderella. Kerajaan-kerajaan. Yeah. Okay. The next is adventure. Cerita tentang petualangan. Ada yang tahu apa itu Tarzan? Ya, bisa minum mas, ya structure. Ada yang tahu?
Introduction.
Orientation.
Complication.
Ya.
Resolution.
Ya. Resolution. Orientation itu bagian awalnya ya. Introduction, praktek, place, and how. Sekali. Terus complication, masalah, konfliknya ya.
Yes, Miss.
Dan resolution,
Penyelesaian.
Oke, next. Language features. The first is past tense. Past tense. Kata yang digunakan untuk mendeskripsikan masa lalu. Contohnya, ada yang tahu? Ya. Itu dimasuk di time connective. Terus kalau past tense itu kayak ya betul sekali. Wow, tambah lagi ed-nya kayak gitu ya. The next is action verb. Ada yang tahu action verb? Kayak berlari, ya, kerja, ya, climb, punya semua kata-kata. Ya, betul sekali. Kemudian yang tadi, siapa yang time connective? Yang tadi, once upon a time. Yang keempat, direct and indirect speech. Ada yang tahu direct indirect speech? Kata langsung dan kata tidak langsung. Kalau di dalam teks kan biasa gitu. Mari diundang berkata ini pernyataannya. Itu disebut direct speech. Oke. Now, Miss akan divide you to group and we will discuss using special method, namely jigsaw. Before that, let me explain the step of our activity today. Dengarkan baik-baik ya stepnya. The first, you will be in home group for 5 students. Jadi ada 4 kelompok dengan 4 siswa. Kemudian, each of you will given a different story to read. Miss akan bagikan ceritanya ke kalian, jadi kalian akan diskusikan. So, you will then move to your expert group with classmates who read the same story as you. Jadi setelah di home group, kalian akan berpindah ke expert group dengan jenis cerita yang sama. Okay, in the expert group, you will read, discuss, and complete a worksheet together. Jadi Miss juga akan bagi worksheet untuk kalian diskusikan. Kalian isi ya. Setelah itu, you will return to your home group and take turn explain your story to your friends. Jadi kembali ke setelah di home group ke expert group, setelah itu kembali ke home group. Setelah itu, while you listening, you must also complete your worksheet based on their story. Jadi lengkapi juga, jangan lupa worksheetnya ya.
Yes, Miss.
Apakah sudah jelas atau ada mau tanya?
Jelas, Miss.
Okay, good. Now you will move to your home group. Jadi bagi dulu 1, 2, 3, 4 grup 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 grup 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 grup 3, 1, 2, 3. Kalian bertiga saja ya. Oke. Kalian bertiga grup terakhir. Okay guys, time is up and now please move to your expert group. And if you got story 1, join other with story 1. Jadi masing-masing satu-satu ya di setiap kelompok. Kemudian dan jangan lupa membawa worksheetnya kalian. Oke? Silakan berpindah. Masuk di grup ini. Ya. Oh iya, sama Bernard sama sudah masuk ke expert grupnya semua? Oke, sudah? Oke, silakan lanjutkan diskusinya. Iya. Iya. Okay guys, time's up. Now, return to your home group and begin sharing what you have learned. And each person will explain their story, and the rest you must listen and comment new worksheet. Okay? Okay. Silakan kembali. Okay, guys, time's up. Please give me your worksheet. Yeah.
Ikat nanti di sini. Pertama ini pindah di
Okay, excellent work, everyone. And now, Miss will give you maybe 3 questions, and who actively answer Miss give extra point. And the first question: which story did you like the most and why? Siapa mau jawab?
Saya.
Alia dulu.
Saya. I like Timunas because she's brave.
Okay, thank you Alia. Saya Miss.
I like Malintuna because his story teach us to respect our parents.
Okay, Sasa.
I like the lion in the mask because it shows that even small friends can be very helpful. I like Snow White because she's kind and gentle to everyone.
Okay, great everyone. And now, the second question. What kind of character do you admire in the story? Okay, you want.
I like Timunas because his face danger without giving up.
Okay, thank you. Anyone else? Okay.
I like Snow White's kindness because she always treats others with love and care.
Okay. Siapa lagi mau?
Masih tak?
Saya Miss.
Okay, Alia.
I like the mother patient.
Okay.
I admire the mother patient.
Passion.
Sorry, Miss.
Okay.
So I like the most helpful because he didn't hesitate to help someone without judging.
Okay, thank you. And the third question, what is the most important moral lesson we learned today? Saya nih, saya.
Please respect your parents.
Okay, Masita.
Kindness and purity will defeat evil.
Okay, thank you. Mita.
Never underestimate others. Everyone can help.
Okay. Okay, good. You have done very good job today. And how do you feel during the lesson today?
It's
Is there anyone who wants to say something or reflect the lesson today? Okay, Sasa. First.
Okay, this narrative text lesson was actually fun and interesting. The jigsaw strategy made it more exciting because we had to work in groups and share what we learned. One challenge was making sure everyone in the group understood the story well, and specifically when the English words were a bit difficult. But it was also a good change to help each other and practice speaking. Overall, it was a fun way to learn, and I hope we can do more activities like this.
Okay, thank you, Sasa. Ya, silakan Indah.
So, learning narrative text using Excel strategy was something new for me, and I like how we had to focus on one story first, then sharing
Okay, thank you Winda. Give applause. Oke, ada yang mau bertanya sebelum Miss mengakhiri kelas?
No.
No, Miss. Alright, if there are no question, chairperson please lead the
Okay. Stand up, please. Say thank you to our teacher.
Thank you, Miss.
Sit down, please. Before we end class, let's pray together. Finish.
Okay, guys, that's all for our lesson today. Thank you for your attendance and see you in the next meeting, guys.